Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add highlight on your Instagram page. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, open your profile and here you can see my highlight. What you need to do here, click on add new highlight. Here you can see, click on this new button. After that, here you can see you need to add a picture, a video and photo. For example, this is my random photo. Click on this and click on next. Here you need to add the name of the highlight. For example, my this name is. Here you need to add a name. You can also edit this cover photo by clicking on this. uh, Here you can also select any picture. In this way you can easily add a highlight on Instagram. Now click on done button and here click on done. In this way you can add a new highlight on your Instagram account. Here you can see this is my new highlight. Here you can see. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.